Today we're gonna look at the DAM in Bluestone PIM, the digital asset management part. So in Bluestone PIM, we have a built-in feature for this, so you can store all your different assets, images, videos, PDFs, whatever kind of files it might be that you want to then connect to your products. So we're gonna take a look here in the Bluestone PIM interface, and right now I am in the DAM part, so I can browse my different assets. In this case, I'm looking specifically for some pictures of fabric here. And we can of course click in and see more details of any of these. We can expand it, see the different asset labels. So we might have labeled these assets, for example, in this case, this is my main asset for this fabric. It's public, so it means that we can serve this downstream to e-commerce, CMS, and other destinations. We have some other basic information here as well. We can also add any attribute that we want. Let's say we want to tag this with some license dates or model information and such. And then of course connect this to different products. So in this case, this image of the fabric is connected to this product, Cozy Haven, a fabric I have in my PIM. And we can also connect to categories. So an image could be, for example, a banner image that we want to connect to a whole product category or something like that. We also have versions here. In this case, this image only have one version, the current one. Let's see this one. Here we can see that we have a newer version and we have the previous one here, and we can also roll back, of course, to previous versions. And this is especially powerful for PDFs, where in Bluestone PIM we have automatic PDF generation. And this, then if you change the product data, you want your new PDF to automatically be generated, and we keep track of all the versions of that here. And then when it comes to serving this downstream, of course, there's a CDN in front of this, so it makes sure that your asset is served close to the receiver and also optimized for the use case, right? So when it comes to that, we can choose how we want to transform our image on the way out of the DAM, and there are a few parameters that we can use. I'm just showing the documentation here. So for example, if we want to change the file format for the receiver, we can do that. And of course also cropping and resizing, one of the more common use cases, right? You need a thumbnail maybe on your website, and then once clicking on the thumbnail you want to present the full image with higher resolution. So all of that is covered here. When working with assets here in the DAM, we can, for example, save this as a view. So now I've searched for all my fabric. I want to easily be able to go back to this search later. So I'm gonna save this as my fabrics here. I'm gonna keep it as a view for just myself and save that. So now we have an easy way to come back to all our fabrics when we want to. All right, that was a quick look at the DAM in Bluestone PIM. There's of course a lot more. So if you want to dive deeper, let us know, and we can set up a demo. Thank you.